Back at Sun City Harley again, and today we're going for a ride with Miss Jade Holland. How you going? You excited?
Yes.
Yes. Nervous?
A little bit. A
little bit. Well, we're going to a pub so you can relax.
Yeah.
Right, let's get going. Alright guys, so we're going to head out to Rollingstone pub today, which is a good ride. It's out my neck of the woods, so about 40-50 k's north of Townsville. Just in case you don't know who the lovely Miss Jade Holland is, she is a country music singer, and she's also a Sun City Harley Davidson ambassador, so you should know who she is. If you don't, she's got an Instagram, which I'll put up on the screen here, and she also has a YouTube channel, so if you want to check out her music, you can jump on over. I'll link to her channel in the description and just show you a photo of what her page looks like, but check her out. She's very, very talented, and she has the best Instagram stories too, so be sure to give her a follow and check it out. She gets up to some funny shit. Good looking bike and a good looking colour too. How you going? Too cool for school, this one. I'd say she's listening to music the way that head's bobbing around. Well, when you're a singer, I suppose you sort of got to do that. And don't forget guys, there's 1 week left if you want to enter the 10k giveaway. 1 week to go. We got some pretty kick-ass prizes. Nick from Sun City Harley rounded up some pretty cool stuff. We got poker chips, stubby cooler, belt buckle, t-shirt. You're going to get some cool Harley merch, and also my man from Reckless Industries, he's going to hook us up as well with a little prize pack. And don't forget guys, if you check out Reckless, you can use the discount code SkidPig to get yourself a fat discount. So be sure to check him out, he's got some really cool merch. Alright guys, well because I'm riding with Jade Holland and she is a country music singer, what better music to put to a bit of riding sped up to pass the time than one of her songs. So I may get a copyright strike, but what do you do? Here we go.
Remember back in the beginning when you told me that I rocked your world. You perfect blonde-haired, blue-eyed girl. You said you didn't want to live a day without me by your side. So I cut you a key, you were moving in. You talked about picking out the perfect ring. I was walking about with my head in the clouds. How could I have been so blind? You said don't talk back, don't touch my phone. But can you leave well enough alone? What I'm gonna tell you is about to blow your mind. I bet you never thought that you'd get caught with your hand in the cookie jar. And your pants and your fancy car. I pulled out the stops and I called the cops, and I told them where you keep your weed. You should've known better than to mess with a girl like me. Let me tell you about 11:35 last Friday night. Got a call from your girlfriend on the side. Couldn't resist, she even made me a list of everything you've done. So hit the road, change your name to Jack. Sleep with one eye open and watch your back. As a matter of fact, where did I put my gun? Bet you never thought that you'd get caught
guys, welcome to Rollingstone. Here's the creek. Not a bad spot to swim. Never seen a crocodile in there, so that's a bonus. And the best part is 100 meters ahead. And this, boys and girls, is the legendary Rollingstone Hotel. Not a bad little watering hole, this one. We're backing in because we're gangster.
I can't get it.
You need a push?
Move! Is this the first time you've had to do this for someone?
It is, actually.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could be this this person for you. My shoes have got nothing. Beautiful.
Cool.
Just make you stand there.
Got him. How's that?
That was alright.
You look comfortable.
Did I?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. There was a couple of little spots where I shit myself.
Nah, you did good.
Because it's just like, I feel like I'm just so light
Yeah.
that I just feel all over the road.
Yeah, I was nervous when the big trucks were coming. I'm like, oh, but no, you were good.
Brett was like, he always said, because I did the Streetwise course
Yeah.
with him, and he just said, like, he did a couple of sessions just with me alone, and he just said, thank you. He just said to me, he said, mate, just go wide.
Yep.
Like, especially if you're coming up to a bridge or something.
Yeah, just get out of the way.
Yeah. And it's just because of the wind factor for me. Like, it
Yeah.
really hits me, and I feel it.
Yeah. Oh, you would. Yeah, I never really thought about that because I'm pretty heavy, so.
It's the only time that I actually wish that I was like,
Yeah.
I'm like, oh my god, if I had more weight to me, this would be fun.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
So no, it wasn't too bad. This has got a lot more go than the little.
Yeah. Then the 500.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's not much to them.
No.
No, they're not a bad looking bike, these ones.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's the first time I've had my foot pegs forward.
Yeah, yeah.
So that was new.
Do you like it better?
Yeah,
Can
I
stretch
like it 'cause
out.
It's got, yeah, I don't mind that, but it's got a lot more pep to it. So I guess it's like
Yeah.
feels a little easier to maneuver.
Yeah.
Whereas if like the little 500's just like.
Yeah, small.
There's a lot more effort I have to put in when going around corners, I feel.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know why, because it's just slower, I guess.
Yeah.
So.
Oh, well, it suits you. You look good on that one.
Thanks.
Let's go and have a beer.
I thought you were going to be like, oi, so. We need to talk.
Nah, you did good.
8 hours later.
Oh, well, liquid lunch.
Yeah.
That was the best.
My shout next time, I promise.
Ah, no worries.
How's your servo, Sonnies? Yeah, good thing.
Treat yourself.
I cannot have nice things. Thank you for today, by the way.
No worries at all.
This was cool. What was that?
Turn the key on.
Okay, just checking.
All good. You didn't steal it.
Yeah. Yeah, not yet. I'm following you.
Okay. Whoops. Better let it catch up. Sorry, Jade. My bad. Alright guys, so we're just heading back into town now, so lunch is done. We had a few beers, that was good fun. Good to catch up with Jade, she's an awesome chick. Be sure to jump on over to her YouTube channel, guys. She needs some subscribers over there, so go on and press that little red button. tell her SkidPig sent ya. Let's show her some love. Check out her music, she's very talented. So, alright guys, we'll leave the video there. Be sure to give the video a big thumbs up. Tell us in the comments if you checked out Jade's music. I'm sure you'll love it. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next one, eh? Righto, catch up, see ya later, toodaloo, ta-da, bye-bye, love ya.